Welcome to GK at Amostri. Which is the dangerous dog breed in the world? A. Doberman, B. Pitbull, C. Rottweiler, D. Great Dane. B. Pitbull. Are not allowed in India. The Indian government has recommended that state and union territories ban the import, sale and breeding of pit bulls. Is an American Pit Bull Terrier isn't considered as one of the most dangerous dog breed in the US and internationally. Totally, 23 dog breeds in India has been banned. Which country has the most number of dams in the world? A. America, B. India, C. Russia, D. China. B. China has the most dams in the world with over 85,000 dams of all sizes. China has biggest installed hydropower capacity in the world and also longest water division route in the world. It has 3 Georges Dam, the world's largest dam and power station. Coconut is the national fruit of which country? A. Sri Lanka, B. Mexico, C. Maldives, D. Bhutan. C. Maldives. The coconut is the national symbol of Maldives and it is essential part of island culture, food and economy. The coconut palm represents a livelihood of Maldivian people. It is also a symbol of richness and diversity of island's life. The coconut palm is often called tree of life because of its many uses. Which planet can support life other than Earth? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Jupiter, D. Mercury. A. Mars. Considered the most habitable planet in our solar system after Earth, it has energy, water and chemical building blocks. What is fear of animal called? A. Autophobia, B. Homophobia, C. Acrophobia, D. Zoophobia. D. Zoophobia. The fear of animal is called zoophobia. It's an anxiety disorder that causes an irrational fear of animals. How many windows are there on the outside wall of Hawa Mahal of Jaipur? A. 785, B. 953, C. 671, D. 859. B. 953. The Hawa Mahal in Jaipur, Rajasthan has 953 windows on its outside walls. These windows are called jaracos and are decorated with intricate lattice work. These windows are designed to create a honeycombed cooling system that keeps the place cool and well aerated. Which animal has the biggest eyes? A. Squid, B. Buffalo, C. Cow, D. Donkey. A. Squid. The largest eyes of squid animal measuring up to 21 cm in diameter. This is about the size of a soccer ball. Who is known as the father of medicine? A. Hippocrates, B. Ronald Ross, C. Karl Landsteiner, D. William Harvey. A. Hippocrates was a Greek physician and philosopher of the classical period who is considered one of the most outstanding in the history of medicine. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along with the coast of which state? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. The Gulf of Mannar is located along the coast of Tamil Nadu in the state of southern India. It stretches from Rameshwaram to Kanyakumari. The Gulf of Mannar is a large bay in Indian Ocean. How long does the person brain remain alive after death? A. 5 minutes, B. 10 minutes, C. 15 minutes, D. 20 minutes. B. 10 minutes. A team of researchers have found that the brain works for a while after the heart has stopped. Which country has the Great Barrier Reef? A. Sri Lanka, B. Russia, C. Australia, D. Canada. C. Australia has the Great Barrier Reef. It's located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland in northeastern Australia. It is the world's largest living structure and largest collection of coral reefs. It is a home of many species including the dugong, green turtle, crownfish, anemones, worms, lobster, crayfish, prawns and crabs. Which is the fastest bird in the world? A. Golden eagle, B. Common swift, C. Albatross, D. Peregrine falcon. D. Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world, reaching speeds over 389 km per hour during a downward dive. Which planet is known as the morning star and evening star? A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Saturn. B. Venus. The planet Venus is known as the morning star and evening star. It is the second planet from the Sun and the closest planet to the Earth. Venus is visible in eastern sky before sunrise and in the western sky just after sunset. Venus is also known as Hesperus, that is morning star, and Hesperus is an evening star. Which is the longest river flowing between India and Pakistan? A. Indus River, B. Ravi River, C. Ganga River, D. Sutlej River. A. Indus River is the longest river that flows between India and Pakistan. Is one of the longest river in the world. The Indus River is 3,180 kilometers long and its basin covers about 1.12 million square kilometers. What is the largest member of the cat family? A. Tiger, B. Lion, C. Leopard, D. Jaguar. A. Tiger is the national animal of our country and it is largest member of cat family. Tigers weigh up to 300 kg and measure up to 3 meter long. A Bengal tiger is the largest tiger species in India. They are among the biggest wild cats in the world. And also, 9 recent tiger subspecies have been proposed between early 19th and early 21st century, namely Bengal, Malayan, Indo-Chinese, South China, Siberian, Caspian, Javan, Bali and Sumatran tigers. How much does it cost to make a 10 rupee coin in India? A. 5 rupee, B. 1 rupee, C. 3 rupee, D. 7 rupee. A. 5 rupee. The cost of making 10 rupee coin in India is exactly 5 rupee and 54 paise. The cost including cost of raw materials, labor, machinery, packaging, energy and distribution. The 10 rupee coin is made up of cupro-nickel, which is 75% of copper and 25% of nickel. Which country's president has a 1-year term in the world? A. Russia, B. Switzerland, C. Argentina, D. Belgium. B. Switzerland. The president of Switzerland is also known as the president of the Swiss Confederation. The president is elected by the Federal Assembly for 1-year term. Karin Keller-Sutter is the president of Switzerland in 2025. She is also the head of Federal Department of Finance. Which country is known as the land of lilies? A. Japan, B. China, C. Canada, D. Germany. C. Canada is known as the land of lilies because of its large number of lilies that grow there. Lilies have various symbolic meaning including purity, renewals and transience. It can grow up to 5 feet tall. It is often found along with roadsides. Which is the deadliest spider on earth? A. Black widow spider, B. Brown recluse spider, C. Sydney funnelweb spider, D. Brazilian wandering spider. C. Sydney funnelweb spider is a large black spider found near Sydney, Australia. The red-black spider is another dangerous spider found near in Australia. To introduction of anti-worm in 1981. Which is the most toughest exam in the world? A. IIT JEE, B. UPSC, C. CA, D. Gokao. D. Gokao. China's college entrance exam, which is considered as one of the most difficult exam in the world. It is taken by millions of students each year. Other very difficult exams include IIT JEE Advanced in India and UPSC Civil Service Examination in India and the Master Sommelier Diploma Examen. Answer for last video was India has the most Facebook users in the world with over 378 million users as of early 2024. This makes India the country with the largest Facebook audience. The video is available on iQuod. Which is the hottest continent in the world? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.